Hi, this is the unboxing video that I promised for my cosplay. Yeah. So I've got two packages that came for it. And yeah, so I'm just gonna get into what my cosplay is so far. And then we'll unbox and then we'll put it all together. I am thinking of getting a wig for it, but apart from that, pretty much everything is done. This is the cosplay so far. This I might not actually include because it's like really poorly made. And I'm not thinking of actually including it at this point. So we got the cup, this like star bracelet thingy. I just added a lock onto this chain and yeah. Got this vest top, this grey vest top. It's very thin. I'm gonna try and expand it by like stretching or something. And then this cat mask, I'm gonna turn it into a foxy mask. Eyeliner. I didn't do it as heavy because I don't want to waste it. None of this are actually including in the cosplay. Basically what we've got in here is the bottom, basically the bottom half of the cosplay. So let's get to doing it. This is the first one. I promise I'm not short. I'm just literally knelt down in front of my desk. I don't have a stool or anything. Let's do the first one. Got these cards. Dude, it feels sort of chunky, but also not. Okay, this is the one. I really like them. I would wear these like just our everyday life as well. And they also have this white patch here. It is literally just plain. I might paint like a Afghan robotics patch on it or like a foxy patch. I think that would be like a really cool addition to this cosplay. Now for the next bit. This bit is a belt. It's a study belt. I've wanted one of these for ages, but also I felt it would go really good with this emo Michael Afton that I'm doing. I'm really excited about this. Look at that. I love that pattern so much. Oh my god. It's like a checkered silver one. They did have like black and white checker, and I know that would go good, but like, and that's what most people wear with them. But I got this one because I think that I just personally like silver better, and it also goes with the cuff better. So now, do I wear like this or no? Okay. Let's just put it on first of all. This one I can actually do it on camera. Just tug this in quickly. Okay. I don't have any belt loops on this, which is like a minus, but this is still good. So this is like normally. This is like mega catchify. Let's try it diagonal. The only problem with me wearing it diagonal is that because I don't have any belt loops, it's likely to fall off. I don't know. Like, it's definitely Michael afternoon. Obviously, my hair isn't done like Michael Afton style, but I think this cosplay is pretty good. Oh my god! I think I ate. I think I actually ate. I look like I'm about to push you into a dam. I'm about to get you spring locked. Oh my god. Wait. 360. I like it. Oh, the pocket's slowing down so low. Oh, I love that so much. These pockets are functional too. I want to give out some sort of thing. Like, I don't know what. Like, people that recognize who I am, my character, I want to be able to give them something. Oh, I don't know. Give me ideas in the comments, like little small trinkets or something that are affordable, because I'm not going to spend 50 quid on a box of trinkets that I probably won't even give out. But yeah. Like, I feel like this is better than this because I don't see my cloth wearing this. I see him wearing it to the side, like the diva he is. Yes. Okay, but like out of 10, rate the cosplay because I think it's 8. I think it's 8.